today, as we start here, this is Cement North. We are celebrating World AIDS Day, which is world over, and it was started in 1988, when global communities found it wise to be together and empathize with those who are affected and infected by the HIV virus. So, in this regard, the National AIDS Control Council, NAC, has today given out sanitary towels for 25 girls in each sub-county in all the 290 constituencies in the entire country. But we, on the sidelines of the sanitary towels, we have found it out of our own will that we have bought masks. We have also bought soap, bar soap, and maize meal so that it can accompany these vulnerable families as they celebrate the World AIDS Day. In Meru County, we stand as 2.4, the HIV/AIDS prevalence, and the country national is 4.9, where we stand on matters HIV and AIDS. And in this regards, when we had the COVID-19 pandemic, we had 14,593 girls who are actually who dropped out of school due to teenage pregnancies. And you can see most of them, those whom you can see here are teenage mothers. Some of them have gone back to school. And you can see a few Ugandians have come representing their children who are not able to come. We have also identified a few of them who are not here, at least one of them who is very expectant, almost the last trimester of pregnancy, and she could not be here, but we shall send sanitary towels with whoever is represented through the CCC. HIV and AIDS infections are actually going up, especially the new infections are on the rise. We had last year 765 new HIV infections. At least the youngest girl who was teenage pregnancy is at the age of 12 years. Okay. The oldest is about 19. And we had a school which actually had 100 of them, which is in Igembe North.
Immediately we find our patient have HIV, we put them on care and treatment, and it is our expectation by the 60 months, all of them are virally suppressed. Today you understand we are doing the World AIDS Day, as my friend has said, or other colleague, and the main challenge, I don't know whether I should go direct to the challenge, is the funding, especially in care and treatment, and even in viral load. And even you remember these people, most of our children now, or rather the teenage girls, they are very vulnerable. Some of them may just be pregnant because they just lacked a sanitary towel. Sanitary towel is around 50 shillings. But depending on where we come from, not all of us were able to get that sanitary towels. My plea and prayer is, let us not take advantage of these children. They lack, so let us not add to their problem, or maybe adding them to giving them another baby, which now we will give them more burden. We can really not say gender, because almost all genders are affected, but statistically, or rather biologically, more girls are more affected. You understand when I talk about biological. You know our biology. Most of our girls having just one sexual intercourse, chances are they are likely to be affected, not like in the male domain.